Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we'll be talking about how you can create a Shopify product image on Canva. So the first thing you have to do is you have to log in on Canva, and you have to search up Shopify product image. Now what you'll have to do is you have to click on one of the templates that you like. So I would click on this one. Now all you have to do is drag a picture of your product that you like, right? So for example, I have this product, like, right now you can upload a PNG, you can upload a product picture of your product. Now I think that this is looking good, the fonts are good, the other style is good, so I'm not going to remove the background, but you can remove the background on here or Photoshop easily. Now you have a lot of the good thing about this Canva is you have a lot of templates, and you have a lot of ideas, and you have a lot of good fonts. Now this is a good font. I will just use this ratio of like 2 to 6. I like this. It's giving me very subtle vibes. So this is how you can create and edit your perfect Shopify product images. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.